What's up, everybody? This is Justin from Launch Kits, home of the perfect website. The perfect website? Yes, that's right. You heard me right. Check it out. Here's what makes a perfect website. Here at Launch Kits, we've studied it, we know it, now we're sharing it. Number one, P for perfect stands for proven. We don't start with a whiteboard and fluffy ideas about what could work and what looks pretty and, ooh, do you like this? We start with a proven framework. Website design templates that we build in-house for specific niche industries. We study the conversion and make sure that we follow the best practices so that when you go live with your website, you know that it's proven to work. You don't need to have something that's pretty but doesn't work. You get something that looks good and it works. Number two, E, it's easy. It's so easy to update your website. Call, text, email us. We do it for you. We train you how to do it. We put really simple tools on the website that make it easy for you to update yourself, easy for you to ask us to update, and easy for people to find you online. You don't even need to do the writing or the design or development. Our team of writers, designers, and developers are right here. That's how we get you live in 5. We keep it easy. R, it's responsive on every platform, tablet, iPhone, desktop, big screen. You're going to look beautiful because we design for each platform. We move buttons around, we change text size, we make sure that images are situated right in the right size so that it's responsive and fast. F, it's fresh. You can email, text, and call us anytime after the launch of your website. We'll update your blog, we'll update your image, we'll update testimonials, we'll update your gallery, we'll add new pages. You got to keep it fresh. Then we make it easy to keep it fresh, and Google loves it when it's fresh. They even have a fresh content element in their new algorithm, so your website stays fresh. It's effective, E, it's effective. It's not just out there, it's proven to convert. So you get customers on your website, they turn into leads, and you close the deal. So they're effective in the template and design, and that's because we study different industries and we help you put your brand on paper, and we do the design and development so it effectively communicates your vision to your target audience. See, it converts, okay? There's so many websites that get people to them, but nothing happens. So from tap to call in the top right, if you're a service business, to simple quote forms or contact forms, to feedback forms, all of it converts. You want visitors to your website to convert into leads. And T, P-E-R-F-E-C-T, trackable, okay? All of our websites come out of the box with G4 Analytics connected to your website so you can log in anytime, track your data. You can't run a successful business online if you don't know your numbers. Ask Marcus Lemonis, ask Shark Tank, ask any business guru out there. You've got to know your numbers to inform changes that you make. So your website, to be perfect, it has to be on a proven framework. It has to be easy for you to update, edit. It has to be responsive on all platforms. It's got to be fresh. It's got to be effective. It converts and it's trackable. This is Launch Kits. We're the home of the perfect website. We can have you live in 5 days. Get a perfect website today and start being found online.